dropped off Rob and Lindsay. They're going to catch their flight. It's about an hour drive over to the airport, but we had so much fun with them. We're gonna miss all the wonderful laughs together. We had such a great few days with them. So Nick and his daughter are still with us. So we have some more fun for the next couple of days, and then they take off on Monday. So anyway, it's been such a nice week to be able to spend with your friends. Hey Alex, yes. No paint on, or Alexis, no paint on the boat. You're awesome. The best boat driver. So funny, all these guys, they beat the heck out of your boat. You get paint all over the side of it. So I yell at them all the time. Hello. Live it up and do it all again and again. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend.
That's good to eat.
It's good for your blood.
That's good for your blood, right?
Here. How about a bite?
I didn't get it. Tastes like watercress. Mm-hmm.
This one is more green.
You like?
Yeah, I do.
It's good for your blood. Spicy.
It's way good. That's good.
I want to see the crayfish, girls. I want to see the shrimp.
Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. The perfect weekend.
So we are going to a waterfall, I guess. So Dominica's a beautiful island. It's been super fun to explore it a bit.
Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend.
It tickles that.
Thinking and I close my eyes, everything is black and white. I can't tell if we're getting closer. Running up against the tide.
Look at that thing.
Over. And won't you come and put it to rest now, baby? Can't you feel the ground when your arm is shaking? Tell me ever you had enough. Your home is with your God up. Your God up. With your God up.
Dad, can I try to hold it? Dad, can I hold it? It's moving.
Isn't that cool?
I know because it's alive. I didn't know.
Those?
Yeah, they'll blow up. It feels weird.
Isn't that so cool?
That's the weirdest.
You look at me. Turn around.
We watch as they all fade away. Lean into me when there's nothing to say. 'Cause you don't have to go out every day with your guard up. Your guard up. With your guard up. Your guard
This is so cool. This is Jeremiah the man. Nick and Maylee's last dinghy ride. We're gonna miss them. Bye-bye.